Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Bandlab and creating a new project so you can add a keyboard track immediately. Sign in, select New Project, then pick Keyboard as your instrument. This loads patches and on-screen keys. Once done, enable the metronome and set BPM and key signature so you stay in time. Make sure audio permissions are granted if using a MIDI keyboard. This first step gets your session ready and prevents timing or routing headaches later. Now you connect and configure your keyboard so it plays correctly. Plug in via USB or MIDI interface, then go to Device Settings and pick the input. Bandlab will map incoming notes. Choose a patch, piano, synth, or electric. Adjust octave shifts and velocity curve to match your touch, and enable sustain if needed. Arm the keyboard track for recording and play a few test notes while watching levels. This verifies latency, routing, and that you won't. When you're ready, record with count-in enabled so you enter on beat, or use loop record to compile takes. After recording, trim regions, use light quantize only if timing needs polish, and add effects, compression, reverb to shape the sound. Once satisfied, bounce or export stems. If you hit issues, check buffer size for latency, confirm the correct input device is selected, and verify track routing and monitoring are on. That single troubleshooting check fixes most common problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.